Tayo na mga ate at kuya, pumunta tayo ng Jubail para mag-lunch. Tara na at samahan niyo ako.
Take me to the place I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. But baby, you don't know me. My baby, you don't know.
At ngayon, nandito na po tayo sa Jubail kung saan matatagpuan ang Chevron Restaurant. Tara, pasukin natin at tignan natin ang mga seafoods na ipapaluto natin. Fresh from the farm. From the sea pala.
Baby, you will know. Remember the house where I was born. But baby, you don't know me. Baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stars I used to hide. No one ever seemed to realize. But baby, you will know me.
At ito naman po ang kanilang mango shake. Napakasarap na ito mga ate at kuya dahil meron itong rice tidbits popcorn sa loob. Swak na swak dahil tag-init na dito sa Saudi Arabia. Huwag niyong kalimutang tikman ito pag dumating kayo dito. Dito lang po yan sa Chevron Restaurant. Ano ba yan mga ate at kuya? Hanggang dito na lang ang lunch ko sa Jubail. Thanks for watching!
Baby, you don't know. Baby, you don't know.